Okay, this is NTI day 4, and we are doing an experiment regarding the densities of liquids.
Like
Liquids.
all colors.
Exactly, yeah, we've made all colors.
What?
Now, what we've done is we have taken a half a cup of water. Half cup of water? Yep. And we have, come over here where they can see you. Yeah, half cup of water, and we have put 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of sugar in these cups. And once they're stirred up, that's going to make them all have a different color and a different density. So the yellow is going to be our lightest density. Then the blue will be next, the green will be third, and the red will be the most dense. It is important to note that we have we varied from what was supposed to be happening. I like working with one variable at a time. The NTI work did say that we were supposed to use different amounts of water. But if you follow what it says with different amounts of water and different amounts of sugar, what's going to happen is you're going to get exactly the same density. So I don't feel like the experiment's going to turn out quite the way it should. Instead, we've used the same amount of water and just changed the amount of sugar that goes into it. It's also very important that everything gets stirred up very, very well.
Very well.
Yeah, it's got to be stirred very well. Tell them. Tell them, stir it up good. Yeah, that's what he said. Okay, now we have a graduated cylinder and a pipette. I wish we had a turkey baster for this, but we don't. So we're going to be using a pipette instead. All right, are you ready to go? You think it's not quite yet? Okay, all right, stir it up good. The reason he's stirring so much is to make sure that everything gets stirred up well. It has to get dissolved into the solution.
The solution is the liquid.
Well, the solution is the whole system. It's everything. The solvent is the liquid, in this case, water. Are we ready to go?
Yep.
All right. Now, it's important to be very quick with this because they are going to want to mesh together. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to use 4 pipettes of solution each time. And in this case, red will be at the bottom. And then we will do green. When you're adding, it's important not to make very much motion so that it doesn't want to mix. Because there's nothing separating these. 1, 2. They will mix a little regardless of what you do. If you'll notice, I've got the pipette as close to the edge as I can. And I'm trying to keep it very much from mixing. It will always mix a little bit just because that's what it's want to do. So you can see that it's very red at the bottom and more green on top. If this works, it should start turning bluer on the next level. It would be nice if we could get perfect striations of color. That means perfect bands of color. I don't think that's going to quite be possible for one reason. They're treating our water, and that introduces chemicals into the water that probably shouldn't be there. But this should at least illustrate what's going on. As you can see, even though it's not perfect, you can see more red color at the bottom, greenish color in the middle, and a bluish color on top. Yeah, hey, that's right, blue on top. And then lastly, yellow. And this should make a nearly clear layer at the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, get that close to the camera. You can see that even just a little bit of shaking is causing it to mix. I don't know if you can tell, but it does have a slight yellow band around the top. Now, how could we improve this? What's causing it to go, what's causing them to mix so fast?
They're getting shook together.
They're getting shook up whenever I use the pipette to put them together, right? Even though I try. But not only that, there is no barrier separating them. No barrier, right? So whenever these touch, what do they want to do? They want to combine. It takes all colors and it makes a single color. Now you can see a little shift from yellow at top to red in the bottom. Tiny little shift. So it's not mixing very fast, but it is mixing together. And if you were to shake it, you would have an almost uniform or homogeneous mixture now.
We make all color now?
Can we make all colors now? How do you want to make all colors?
It's red and green and blue and yellow.
It's red and green and blue and yellow. Well, that's what we've done. We put them all in. Oh! Okay. Well, we can do something else that's kind of cool too. You guys ready for this?
All colors.
All right. So, as you guys know, yellow is a primary color. So, if I take yellow and I mix a little blue, what color do you think I get?
All color.
Well, all colors? No, I'll get a certain color. What color, Lance?
Green.
Green. Okay, so there's yellow and blue mixed together makes green.
Green.
All right, let's try a little yellow and a little red, you say?
And red and a little blue.
Okay, let's, what color am I gonna get?
Purple. Orange.
Purple? No, orange. I won't need a lot of red. Red's very strong. Orange. Okay, last one. I'll start with red this time.
Orange and then blue.
I'll put red first.
Red and then blue.
And then blue. What color am I gonna get?
Blue.
I'm gonna get your favorite color, purple.
Now make it. Mix it.
Red's very strong. Purple.
Purple.
Okay, that's it for us. Bye.
Bye.
Don't bye.
Bye.
There you go.